Good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your social study teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 2 of Mineral Wealth. Students, in this chapter you will learn about the minerals present in our India, in our country. The main content of this chapter is what is minerals, what are the kind of minerals, metallic and non-metallic minerals found in India. Then what type of minerals we found in India we also studied in this video. How to conserving mineral resources. So students, let's get started. First students, natural resources like air, water, soil and forests found on the surface of earth. Students, you all know what is natural resources. Resources which we get from nature, they are called as natural resources like air, water, soil and forest. These are the natural resources which are found on the earth. Now students, we will come to minerals. Some resources are found under surface of the earth. There are some resources that are found under the surface of the earth, that is inside of the ground, that is surface of the earth. They are called as minerals. First is minerals. Minerals are the substance that occurs naturally in the earth. So minerals are the substance that found naturally. So minerals is a natural resources. They are make up the earth, rocks and soil. So minerals are found by rocks and soils of the earth. Minerals are found underground. We all know students minerals are found underground the earth, under the surface of the earth. Some minerals are found at the bottom of the sea. There are some minerals which are found under the sea, that is bottom of the sea. A rock that contains some minerals is called an ore. So, students, what is ore? Ore is a rock. It is a rock which contains minerals in it. So, then we will call it ore. We get metals from the minerals. From ore, we get minerals, and from minerals, we get metals. The place where minerals are found is called a mine. This is a mine, student, as you can see in the image. So the place from where we dug up the surface and we found the minerals at that place is called as mine. Many things that we use daily are made up of metals. So students, as we have seen that minerals give metals, and many things in our daily life that is made up of metals. So the main metals are iron, gold, copper, aluminium, silver, etc. All are these metals, are all the metals. Distribution of minerals in India. Students, the minerals are distributed unevenly in India. It is not distributed evenly. Unevenly means that it is distributed in some amount. Some places it is found in a good amount, or some places it found in a less amount. So minerals are distributed in the different parts of India. That is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Jharkhand. Next is kinds of minerals. Students, minerals are divided into different kinds. There are two main kinds of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals are those minerals that has lustrous nature, that means they will shine. And non-metallic minerals are those minerals that do not shine or do not have the lustrous nature. Metallic minerals examples are iron ore, magnesium, gold and silver. Non-metallic minerals are limestone, gypsum and mica. Metallic. These minerals minerals include iron, copper, gold and silver. Non-metallic minerals include salt, coal, petroleum, gemstones as the precious stones by which the ring is made. We all have seen that when we make the ring of gold, we will put a gemstone in that and precious stones. Petroleum is also used as a fuel. Petroleum is also a mineral which is used as a fuel. We all use petrol. We all know that for our vehicles we use petrol. There are called as minerals fuel. These minerals, that is petroleum, we call them mineral fuels. Student, as you seen that there are two kind of minerals. One is metallic and another one is non-metallic. So metallic minerals are found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Most part of India, metallic minerals are found. Non-metallic minerals are found in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and etc. There are many places where non-metallic minerals also found. So we can say that the minerals are unevenly distributed all over the India. Minerals found in India. India is rich in mineral resources. Students, India is very rich in mineral resources. A large quantity of minerals found in India. So, India is also called as a storehouse of minerals. A place where a good amount of minerals to be found. A large number of minerals can be found in India. So, we call India as a storehouse of minerals. The first mineral we will study about, that is copper. Copper is a mineral which was first used by early humans. That means at the old age time, people first used copper. And copper is used for making the tools. Many things are made from copper in the early ages. So, copper is a good conductor of electricity. Good conductor electricity is used in electrical appliances. Good conductor of electricity, that means it is a good conductor of electricity. We can use copper for making the electrical appliances, for making the wires. As you can see, copper, the wires of electrical wires are made up of copper. Copper ore are found in Jharkhand and Rajasthan. The main places where copper ores are found, that is Jharkhand and Rajasthan. This is Rajasthan. So student, the Khetri is a place where there is a copper mine. Amarkantak is also a place where in India there is a copper mine. Hazaribagh is also a copper mine present in India. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Yes, it is used for electrical appliances. We all know that. The next metal is iron ore. Iron. So, iron is deposited and found in abundance. We all know that iron is present in abundance in India, because most of the things which we are using is made up of iron. So by that only we can assume that iron is present in a good quantity. That's why we are using it in a large number, or we are using the large number of things which are made up of iron. So students, iron are found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra. So student, as you can see in the image that this is Madhya Pradesh, this part is of Odisha, this is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Goa and this is Maharashtra. These are the places where a good quantity of iron is found. As you can see this red dots. Iron is used for making tools. We all know that the tools which are using in our daily life, it is made up of mainly iron. Utensils, knives we use. Machines are also made up of irons. Railway lines, the railway lines is also made of iron. Railway coaches and engines. It is also used for construction of dams. The big dams is also made up of iron to stop the water or to stop the river water. Building bridges and factories, etc. These all are made up of iron. Iron is heated and melted to produce steel. When iron is heated and melted, so steel is produced. To producing steel, we heat and melted the iron. India is the 9th largest producer of iron ore in the world. India is 9th number in the world for producing the iron ore. The next minerals we will study about is manganese. So it is used in making steel. Manganese is used in making the steel product. And chemicals. Chemicals is also made up from manganese and in glass. India is the 2nd largest producer of manganese in the world. Student, India is the 2nd largest. 2nd means in the world, India produced 2nd number India comes 2nd number for producing the manganese worldwide. Manganese is found in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Manganese. These red dots are the places where the distribution of manganese ores are given in India. As this is the Odisha place, this is the Madhya Pradesh and this is the Maharashtra, the place where the manganese are found. Students, the next mineral we will study about that is aluminium. It is the light metal. Aluminium is called as a light metal because it is very light in weight. We get aluminium from an ore called bauxite. So, students, you all know ore is a rock from where mineral is taken out. So, bauxite is an ore from which aluminium is taken out. बॉक्साइट ऐसा एक ओर है जिससे एल्यूमिनियम को हम लोग निकालते हैं. एल्यूमिनियम इज वन टाइप ऑफ मिनरल. इट इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग एरोप्लेन्स. द एरोप्लेन्स बॉडीज आर मेड अप ऑफ aluminium. So aluminium is used in a good quantity for making the aeroplanes. Bauxites are the ore of aluminium and it is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. So students, this is the Jharkhand part, this is the Odisha part, this is the Chhattisgarh part, this is the Gujarat, this is the Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So students, these are the places where bauxite is found in a good quantity. Students, now coal. Students, you know all that how coal is important for us. Coal is very important for us because it is one of the fossil fuel. Coal is used as a fossil fuel. Coal is major source of power. There are many industries which are using coal for generating the electricity. It is used for cooking, to run factories and to generate electricity. As I told you, coal is found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. So these are the states where coal is found. The important coal mining centers are Bokaro, Raniganj, Gorba, Dhanbad and Jharia. These are the important coal mines where coal is taken out. You all know Coal minings are the places from where the minerals are taken out. So these minings are those minings from where coal is taken out. Coal is also called as a black coal. Coal is also called as a black coal. So coal is found mainly in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal and Jharkhand. These are the main places where coal is found in a good quantity. So students, the next minerals is petroleum. Students, you all know what is petroleum because petrol you use daily in your vehicles. Petroleum too is a fossil fuel. Students, now can you anyone tell me what is fossil fuel? Fossil fuel is a fuel which we taken out deep from inside of the earth's surface. So it is also known as a crude oil. Petroleum is also known as a crude oil or mineral oil. Now student, what is the meaning of crude oil? Crude oil is that oil which is found in unrefined form. So students, we can also say that crude oil is impure oil. Crude oil in Hindi we called it kacha tel. It is found under the seabed. Oil wells are dug to pump out the oil. As students, we use water wells to take out the water. So to take out the oil, we use the oil wells. This crude oil is refined in refineries. Now that unrefined oil, that is crude oil, is refined in the refineries to make petrol, diesel and kerosene. So crude oil is a kacha tel which is unrefined. To make it refined, it is gone to the factories or refineries where it is refined and then changed into petrol, diesel, kerosene, cooking gas, paraffin wax and mobile oil. An area with many oil wells are called as oil field. An area which is covered with many oil fields, that area is called as a oil field. The major fields in our country are located in Assam, Gujarat and Maharashtra. As you can see, this is what Maharashtra, this is Gujarat, this is Assam, this place is Assam. So these star points are Assam, Maharashtra and Gujarat, and these are the places where major petroleum oil fields are found. Major oil fields are found in India. Petroleum is also called as a liquid gold. Petroleum is also called as a liquid gold. Students, you all know that gold is very precious. So petroleum is also a very precious mineral. So we call it liquid gold. Students, the next and the last minerals, that is natural gas. Natural gas means that a gas which is produced in a form of produced from the nature and it is not harmful to the nature, so they are called as natural gas. It is an important source of energy. Students, to do any work we require energy. So natural gas is also a form of energy and it is very important. It is used for cooking. We use natural gas as in the form of cooking and producing electricity. For producing electricity, we also use natural gas. Natural gas is also called as CNG. CNG means, the full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Now, students, natural gas are found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Assam. These are the places where mainly natural gas is found, that is CNG is found in India. Conserving mineral resources. Now students, can you tell me what is the meaning of conserving? Conserving means saving anything. So how we can conserve the minerals? Minerals are very precious for us because minerals is also a natural resources. Once it is finished, it is very difficult for us to renew it or to recycle it. So we have to conserve them. Mineral resources are limited. We all know that in earth many things are limited. So minerals are also limited. They take millions of years to form. It takes millions. Once it is exhausted, it takes millions of years for forming. So it is very important for us. If wasted or not used with care, we will run out of these minerals. Wasted. Students, you know that anything which we waste, once it is finished, that is mineral. Once minerals is finished, it is very difficult for us for taking out the minerals again. So we have to use it carefully. We don't have to waste them. Therefore, we must be very careful while using our mineral resources. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा careful होना चाहिए for using our mineral resources. There are other sources of energy which are renewed, such as solar energy, wind energy and water energy. So students, we have to use solar energy, wind energy and water energy because these energy can be renewed. But जो minerals होते हैं, that is minerals, coal, petroleum, these all are the minerals, they do not renew again and again. It take a lot of years or millions of years for forming that minerals again. So they are very important and precious for students. Now this chapter is finished. Thanks for watching this video, and if there is any query or doubt related to this video, you can ask me anytime.